wanted to ask about the timing of the resignation of E.S. Bersamin and Secretary Pangandaman. What do you think really triggered it? Was it the expose of former Congressman Zaldico? And ano yung magiging implication yan sa public perception?
Well, it's all interconnected, no? Yung revelations, quote-unquote, na minsan paputok, minsan parang ano lang, watusi lang yung paputok ni Zaldico. Related yan syempre dito sa allegedly malakihang rally kahapon hanggang bukas, no? But so far, it's not reaching the critical mass or the numbers that it announced or it claimed to reach, no? Like 1 million or more. So connected yan kasi syempre yung resignation nitong mga ito because they were implicated leading up to maybe some groups lobbying or trying to get appeasement or be appeased by PBBM na okay, we will tone down our rallies or our demands if you give us some heads. Now, some of this lobbying are transparent or some of this lobbying are valid. Hindi naman lahat ng lobbying masama, no? So for example, the CBCP and the progressives, we're lobbying for transparency, we're lobbying for accountability na ma-prosecute talaga yung mga dapat ma-prosecute. Pero may iba ding groups who are lobbying more than that, meaning they're asking for heads to roll just because they want certain heads to roll and maybe ma-replace ng ibang appointees.